Let me explain how to maintain spark arrestor. Screen. Take it off. This is spark arrestor, and you can wash it using non-flammable solvent, and make sure it is completely dry, and push it back and fix it again. And next, let me explain how to clean the cleaner sponge. Here, it off, and you can take off this cleaner sponge, and you can wash it with warm soapy water, and just wash it and squeeze it and make it dry, and after that you can use like SA30 oil, and to make it a little bit moisted, and take it back. And when you install this one, please make sure this part match. Here, like this.